So my quail is hatching this afternoon. It's trying to come out of this cage. Now this is our little incubator we use in hatching. So it's a home hatching incubator. We still have some in stock for your hatching. You can see it's trying to come out. We have guinea fowl eggs. We have our noila eggs. We have our local chicken eggs. And we have quail eggs all here. You can see another one trying to hatch. So with that, you cannot lose any of your eggs anymore. You hatch them. Some of them are hatching. This is a short video of how we incubate most of our chicken. So we do not just farm, we hatch, we grow them out, and we sell the incubators too for your home use and for your little homestead. Today some of our quails are hatching and we would like to put you through. Here is one coming up to life. It's coming.
Just like that.
So here our young quail is hatching today. So like we said before, you can do your hatching at home or you take it to the hatchery. This very incubator can incubate 52 eggs as small as it is. And you don't have to have 24 hours generator or power. You can use solar, you can use battery. You can see our small 24-volt battery. These are 12 volt. We joined it to make it longer. This lasts for 12 hours when fully charged. We use our battery charger to charge it. And here we have our eggs hatching. Our quail has decided to come to earth today. Happy birthday, quails. It's still coming up. So this small quail eggs incubator, as it might be, can hatch up to 52 eggs at once. And it does not necessarily need an electricity. For those who do not have constant electricity like me, we have this small battery. This is a 12-volt battery that we join together, making it 24 volts. And this can last for 24 hours. That's what it takes us. And we charge it with a battery charger. When they bring light, even if the light lasts for only 1 hour per day, you can still use your incubator. If you use generator, you can still use your incubator. So just get this battery down and charge it. You can see that our quail is coming to life. So we didn't just have quail eggs here. We have quail eggs. We have our heritage bird eggs. We have guinea fowl eggs. We have duck eggs inside this incubator, and they are hatching. This is the beauty of nation. The unrepentant farmer reporting. Thank you. So that's our quail. The egg is, our head is out. Finally, our quail is out. Our quail is out.